Welcome to FleetPride.com, where you can easily find, purchase, and manage all your heavy-duty parts needs. This video covers checkout, designed to streamline the ordering process. Once you have finished adding your items, click on the shopping cart icon found here on the upper right-hand corner of the page. From the shopping cart page, you have the opportunity to make any adjustments to the items, as well as add any additional notes tied to specific parts before proceeding to the checkout process. FleetPride.com checkout is a simple three-step process. In step 1 of checkout, as a signed-in user, you will select one of your saved addresses or enter a new address for any items being shipped. You also have the ability to add additional email contacts of those you wish to be notified of this order. In step 2, under order details, you can enter your PO number and select your shipping method if you have any shipping items. You also have the opportunity to add any line-level part notes or order comments. Once you have made those updates, click on Continue to Payment. From the payment page, you can select to invoice the order if you have a charge account or choose to pay with a credit card. Once you have made that selection, click on Place Order. You will then see an order confirmation screen, giving you the indication that the order has been placed. An order confirmation email will also be sent to you. Have questions? Our heavy-duty experts can help. Click the chat button on the right-hand side of any FleetPride.com page. Our chat team is available 7 a.m. to 6 p.m. Central Standard Time, Monday through Friday. Alternatively, you can email us at customerservice@fleetpride.com. Click the Help button in the FleetPride.com header for more ways to learn why FleetPride.com is the first click in heavy duty.